Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana and 7 TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Yeah, chiche positions, no. It drew so, Anna. It drew so. And I said, drew so, yeah. And drew so, I had a bumpire. Why? Wow, I Juma Diama NDC, Bia, wow, we a journalist, and I said content creator, and I said, wow, we a blogger. Now, and I said neutral. We a campaign my NDC bia no ye chiche positions no ye chiche. I be ni beka say ye chiche no togome no gome. Togome no gome chire say a family affair. Wa onka busua no ho no onye bi say mi nka busua no ho ente menye bi. Omu chiche mi say mi de menka ho. But wow uye adwuma ma NDC no. Onya wo dia na. Onya wo dia e de bompaye. Ma bompaye bom ye di. Why? Ami be ye bompaye. Right. Journalist bi wa friend no Emefa miam Emefa nto Apawu Emefa our name, right? Emefa means like Emefa means it is peaceful or something like that. I think peace is in Tifafa, so Emefa should mean inside is cold. Something like that. If you want to do the literal translations, inside is code MFA. Now here Juma or Joy News ni Joy FM. Now many of you remember her. She had a very controversial interview with Kojo Ponkruma. And Kojo Ponkruma putting at the right place. But I'll be our own interview. Be our own said there. Mami we ase o NDC ni, and I say or drive NDC agenda. And ne. Amino Kasa, your man appointment. I mean, catch what they just say. John Mahama will not give an appointment to anybody who did not support him. Anybody who did not work for ND John Mahama on an appointment. And to say your man lecturer be appointment, your man neutral be appointment, your man journalist name say. That's no at once say all of them were part of the grand scheme of the NDC. Now Ghanaians have been reacting to my Kika story no children. Let me tell you some of the comments that Ghanaians are passing. So this is from Ghana Weekend. Renowned journalist Emefa Apawu has joined the Petroleum Hub Development Corporation, PHDC, as its new corporate affairs manager. Ms. Apawu brings a wealth of experience in media and communications to the role. Prior to joining the PHDC, Ms. Apawu was a well-known figure in the Ghanaian broadcasting. She was most recently with multimedia, specifically Joy FM. Her career also includes notable positions as a morning show host at Radio Gold and Radio XYZ. Her extensive background in the media landscape is expected to be a valuable asset to the PHDC as it works to develop Ghana's petroleum hub. So that is the storyline. Your man appointment for head of corporate affairs manager. A man of corporate affairs manager at Petroleum Hub Development Corporation. I buying Juma. Right? Whether she has any expertise in the petroleum sector, you and I will know there. So let's see the reactions from Ghanaians. We are from Ameya Dramena. Say it is like a tsunami. Almost all the media guys were behind NDC. Congratulations, Munia. Kent's favorite says that City, you are just jealous because MPP dropped you guys. You forgot to mention was Bernard Avle was chosen for the gig by NDC. When Kwame Sefakai was board member and Good Evening Ghana host was Kia Chopping NDC for trouble for I bet me a kanye. Now swear bravo. Tansi. We are bravo. Assembly crying. Sebastian is laughing or say Ghana neutral alignment. Kwejo says this lady was working for. Okay, something is there. Someone said unless Owusu says that she worked hard for NDC, she deserves it. Okateche Samuel Oseimes said Dr. Baumia said the media was against him. I now understand why he said that. Congratulations, Emefa. Eric said Dr. Baumia. Also, I think Eric also repeated that. But he said Dr. Bamia said the media was against him. It was really true. Kofi Asare. Kofi Asare was a great lady. No, yeah. Osman Jiwa says that we will know them one by one. He said, yeah, we will know. As the appointment comes, we will start knowing those who were neutrals and those who were not. We will know. Let's say, Raymond says, our professor, so like on Kasabi Omunyesa, with time, we will get to know all of them. Just wait. Don't rush. We will get to know all of them with time. Just these 4 years. NDC Idol says she is a calm person and I admire her so much. Congrats, Emefa. Okay, Louis said that many of the MPP folk here didn't even know Emefa Apawu and Rivers Mensah are the communicating strategies for the minority leader. So you are saying. Soskanana also says that, hey, so all of them were working behind the scenes for Ojam. Ayo, Onyami Ehun Omunyina. K-Men say, not surprised. We always known this woman to be an NDC loyalist. This isn't news. Okay. Michael said, now City TV is the announcer of media people who have joined the public service. Let your people also join some air. Your direction is also known these days. Eli Queen say, good going way back to 90.5 Gary Gold. She deserves it. Congrats. The Ghana Land say, it seems that every election cycle, it seems that with every election cycle, neutrality is becoming increasingly rare in Ghana. The growing involvement of all sectors reflects the deep polarization within our society. Someone says, skin pain, aren't your people joining any entity? Yeah, so that is it. Our friends in the journalism space, the fourth arm of government, have decided to join the first arm of government. Yes. Yes. Obianye neutral Ghana how? Obianye neutral. Debbie, like, sometimes I wonder the things that are bare, saying it, saying it here. I wonder when people still don't want to play around it. It is like, mention the name of anybody, you will be able to, you should see that, unless you have not said the person over time. Obi say Captain Smart, NDC ni, who now say this NDC is behind. You don't need to be told. Now, most of the time, no, the people, these journalists who are behind MPP, they make it known. Obi say Paula Domocho, Obi anim so MPP ni. Obi say Kwame Sefakan, Obi anim. They make it known. But NDC for there, they will not do. They will hide behind neutrality. And Ghana at heart. We are not for NDC, we are not for MPP. We are speaking for Ghana. As if we just the rest of us, we are not Ghanaians. All of them. Bible say, by their fruits you shall know them. But the new one in this era, they say, by their appointments you shall know them. But don't get it twisted. Some of them will also not get appointment, but they will get contracts. Yeah. Some of them not get appointment. But you see that their lifestyle is changing. To talk cars. You know that the money that is coming in, you cannot really trace it. Just know. Yeah. This has been the political rant with me, the voice right on Ghana TVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.